Short update on the 74th day of the teacher sabbatical. Still in Sokcho, right at Sokcho Beach. And as you can see, weather is terrible, even worse than yesterday. Strong rain, wind, high waves, and cold, probably like 13-14 degrees. And today is the last day in Sokcho. Tomorrow I intend to leave. I bought a new tire. Maybe that helps prevent so many punctures if I have like a new tire. Although I haven't mounted it on the bicycle yet, I might do that tomorrow or the after. Also bought a tube and a kit, puncture kit, like patches to use when I have a flat. So I had like a kit of 6. I still have 1. Now I have a new kit of 6. So this weather is really getting on my nerves, and I hope that tomorrow it will be a lot better. Apparently from today's forecast it's going to be raining in the morning until about 11. And then it's supposed to be better, it's supposed to improve. I just hope that the weather forecast is correct, because oftentimes they say, okay, there's going to be sunshine or no rain in the morning or in the afternoon, and then it somehow comes otherwise. I mean, just imagine cycling in this weather, getting wet from above, from the road, because so many puddles and little rivers. And then cycling in those temperatures, and then in the mountains with the altitude still 2 or 3 degrees colder. I mean, that's a terrible thought, isn't it? Already I'm shaking. Yeah, anyway, hope there will be a net improvement tomorrow. So this is Sokcho Beach for the last time on this trip, I guess. First time I've seen this Sokcho South Korean beach, and I'm not sure whether I'm going to return to South Korea. Well, I'm going to stay for a couple more weeks. Return ferry ride is on the 10th of November to Japan, but I'm not sure whether I will return so soon to South Korea. We'll see. Okay, take care, friends and family. I hope there's better weather in Europe.